Welcome back, graphic designers. In this tutorial you will learn about clipping mask in Photoshop. It is very easy and simple to apply. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. Let's start. Create a new file. Size doesn't matter. Background is white and click Create. Here we will make some shapes to apply clipping mask method. Open rectangle tool with curve endings. Keep the curve amount around 38. Now make any type of shape. Hold Alt and Shift to drag a copy of the shape. Make 4 copies of it. Hold Shift to select all shape layers. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T to adjust. Now place your image. So here are 2 different ways to add clipping mask. First is to select the image layer. Right-click and create clipping mask. Second way is to select image layer and hold Alt. You will see a downward arrow between the 2 layers. Just click to create clipping mask. So that's how clipping mask is used. It is important that the shape will be below the image layer. You can also adjust the image by pressing Ctrl+T. Now double-click on shape layer to add shadow, and make it more realistic. Note these settings and click OK. If you want a texture background like mine, select background layer and go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Use texturizer effect for this. Scaling is 94 and relief is 3. If you like this tutorial, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share.